everyone, again welcome back to our channel, and today also we have brought you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can easily add two accounts on your Snapchat app. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yeah, let's get started. So the first thing that you will do is simply just go to your Snapchat app, make sure it's updated and downloaded. So you will see I have two accounts. To add another account, what I will do is simply tap on the sign up option, tap on it, tap on this continue, allow. You can enter your name and then sign up and accept, add in your birthday, simply tap on this option called continue. Now you can say there is our username, or you can change your username. You can simply tap on this continue option. Here you can add in your password, and as you can see there is an option called save login info on your device. If you disable this save login info on your device option, then you will have add in your password every time you would like to log in. But if you enable this option, then you don't have to add in your password. You can simply log in, simply tap on this continue option, and then we will confirm our Gmail, tap on it continue, and add in your number, tap on this continue option. Then this is the time where you have to add in your confirmation code. So when a confirmation code is there, you will simply get logged in. Here you can have this add 5 friend option, tap on this, create your Bitmoji option, continue. Once your avatar is ready, then you will simply tap on the done option again. And as you can see, the new account that we just created over here is there. Then you will see the accounts are together or not. You will simply go to this option settings, then you will go log out, and then you will see these 3 accounts we have now that we just created. So this is how you can create multiple accounts on your Snapchat app, and I hope this video was helpful to you guys. And yeah, thank you so much for watching our video till then. I'll see you guys next time.